No visit to Maine's Kennebec Valley would be complete without stopping to explore the region's natural beauty and experiencing a little bit of adventure while you're here. There are many wonderful discoveries awaiting you. Escape from the hustle of everyday life with a scenic drive. There's no need to rush. Take your time and stop to enjoy the striking views from any of the lookout points along your journey. Let these views take your breath away and build memories to last a lifetime. Lace up your hiking boots or hop on your bike to explore up close and personal one of the hundreds of trails spread throughout the region. Don't forget to pack that bathing suit, as you'll encounter many opportunities for a refreshing dip in pristine waters. Want to go a little faster and see more of what the region offers? Then expand your range of exploration by renting an ATV or side-by-side and take a memorable ride through thousands of miles of trails that all end up at the perfect resting spot. With gentle currents and calm waters, the Kennebec River is ideal for kayaking and canoeing. Paddle your way upriver or downriver, all the while enjoying beautiful scenery and the natural wildlife unique to the region along the way. If you're feeling even more adventurous, take a trip with a professional Maine river guide through the Class 4 rapids of the Kennebec and Dead Rivers. You'll experience world-class whitewater rafting with the thrill of rushing water and views that truly take your breath away. Hit the links. Golfing here is like nowhere else. And there are many, many courses that offer challenge for any skill level, for any member of the family, and make the region a golfing paradise. But what about the fish? Local guides can find you that perfect fishing hole where the fish are biting. Fishing expeditions are available throughout the area, and in fact, the Kennebec River is an unmatched fly fishing destination, especially in trout spawning season in the spring and fall. The Kennebec region also provides bass fishing all summer long. Don't forget about the allure of starry nights with perfectly dark skies. Seeing the entire Milky Way galaxy in all its glory, highlighted by the occasional shooting star, it's a moment that you'll treasure and not soon forget. That's the Kennebec Valley experience. Whether you yearn for outdoor adventure, cultural activities, or simply a peaceful escape, Maine's Kennebec Valley has everything you could hope for. So pack your bags, hop in the car, and embark on an unforgettable journey to the heart of Maine.